The aims of the Film Education Fund are to inspire learning through film,
engage people through education, and promote cultural and social awareness,
and discover new skills and opportunities for those that don't have access to film education.
Film Cymru Wales has been delivering a wide variety of projects, and we've supported over 100 projects today, with 30,000 beneficiaries taking part, which we feel is fantastic and demonstrates that film plays a critical role in education.
The people that we're looking to engage with the Film Education Fund are from a wide, diverse range of backgrounds. These can be youth groups from the age of 5 years up to 19, but also adults in a lifelong learning and informal setting. We also support people with special educational needs and those that live in rural areas that may not have access to an arts or cultural provision.
Film education is important because it gives people the opportunity to learn new skills and discover new opportunities through this really exciting medium.
Film education is also very important because we think that it helps break down barriers where there might be in terms of social exclusion and cultural poverty.
It also gives people the opportunity to promote cultural and social awareness, again through film, which is a medium which everybody can engage with.
We have two film education funding strands available at the moment. We have the Collaboration Fund, which is relatively new.
We designed it to encourage organisations to collaborate and work together, learn from different sectors or different areas within education, and to really push the boundaries on new and creative projects.
The second fund we have available is education project funding. The funding for this is to support individual projects by different practitioners or film education providers.
We feel that film can help address some difficult topics and allow pupils to discuss these topics without isolating or alienating themselves.
So aside from our funding, we also provide advice and guidance and also connections to other people working in the sector. We recommend that you join the FEN, which is the Film Education Network, and we also recommend you check out our film education resource database. So for more information about this fund and how you can apply, please go to our website where you'll be able to find our full guidelines and our application form. To see examples of work that's produced on other film education projects, please go to our YouTube channel, and also to keep up to date with the team, follow us on Twitter at Film Education.